Another day, another English lesson.
Before, after, and while plus gerund.
Hello. Today we're going to learn how to use three very useful words: before, after, and while. These words help us talk about when things happen. When we use them with a gerund, a verb that ends in ing and acts like a noun, we can describe actions in a clear and simple way. Let's take a look.
1. Before plus gerund. We use before to talk about something that happens earlier than another action. For example, before going to bed, I brush my teeth. First, I brush my teeth. Then, I go to bed. Here, going is the gerund. It tells us the action that happens later. 2. After plus gerund. We use after to talk about something that happens later than another action. For example, after eating dinner, I watch TV. First, I eat dinner. Then, I watch TV. Here, eating is the gerund. It tells us the action that happens first. 3. While plus gerund. We use while to talk about two actions happening at the same time. For example, while walking to school, I listen to music. I walk to school and listen to music at the same time. Here, walking is the gerund. It tells us the action that is happening at the same time as another action.
Why is this useful? Using before, after, and while with gerunds helps us connect ideas and show the order or timing of actions. It's a simple way to make your sentences clearer and more detailed. For example, before leaving the house, I check my bag. After finishing work, I go to the gym. While cooking dinner, I talk to my family. Now, watch and complete the sentences with before, while, or after, and the gerund form of the verb in parentheses. One. After washing the dishes, she puts them away in the cupboard. 2. Before eating the soup, she blows on it because it is very hot. 3. While watching the movie, they eat popcorn and drink soda. 4. Before going outside, he puts on a jacket because it's cold. 5. After running 5 miles, they drink a bottle of water. 6. While riding his bicycle, he keeps both hands on the handlebars. 7. Before opening the door, she looks through the peephole to see who is outside. 8. After turning off the lights, he went to sleep. 9. While stirring the coffee, the barista carefully adds milk. Thanks for watching this worldwide ELT English language learning activity. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon for notifications.